Hello everyone, you have tuned into a must-watch video on world affairs concerning the great crisis in Afghanistan. The source of this information that I'm going to share with this video is based on an article published in The Hindu entitled Evaluating India's Options in Afghanistan. As far as medium of expression is concerned, I would be keeping it bilingually. I would be speaking both in Hindi as well as in English. So if you see its Hindi translation of this article, the title of this article, that would be Afghanistan में भारत के विकल्पों का विस्तृत विश्लेषण. So अफगानिस्तान में भारत के लिए कौन कौन से विकल्प हैं, उनके विस्तृत विश्लेषण के लिए आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखिएगा. For watching a comprehensive case study regarding the great crisis in Pakistan, I would request you to watch this video thoroughly. And before we move forward, let's have a look at all the questions that I'm going to address in this editorial analysis. Questions की एक complete फहरिस्त है. There are 15 questions which I'm going to provide the answers for. The first question is why the United States is exiting Afghanistan at the same time that the focus of its foreign policy is shifting to East Asia. पहला क्वेश्चन है कि जिस वक्त यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स अपनी फॉरेन पॉलिसी में ईस्ट एशिया की तरफ देख रहे हैं, उसी वक्त वो अफगानिस्तान से बाहर क्यों निकल रहे हैं? Why the states is exiting from Afghanistan at such a juncture? The second question would be, what is America's strategic response to China's rise? China की rise को के काउंटर में अमेरिका का strategic response क्या है? What is the biggest problem for India? भारत के लिए इस पूरी कहानी में, इस पूरे प्रकरण में, पूरी क्राइसिस में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? How India's relations have been with Afghanistan in the past. भारत के अफगानिस्तान के साथ भूतकाल में कैसे रिश्ते रहे हैं? What were US strategic objectives in Afghanistan? Could the state succeed? अफगानिस्तान में US के क्या strategic objectives थे और उनमें क्या वो सफल रहे? Can India too leave Afghanistan like America? क्या अमेरिका की तरह से भारत भी अफगानिस्तान छोड़ सकता है? What are the options available to India? और भारत के लिए कौन कौन से विकल्प मौजूद हैं? Next would be sharing the full view this time of what India should be circumspect while dealing with Taliban. And तालिबान के साथ डील करते वक्त इंडिया को कौन से मुद्दों पर बहुत ज़्यादा चौकन्ना रहने की जरूरत है? While engaging with Taliban, what India should do simultaneously? और तालिबान के साथ इंगेज होते वक्त भी इंडिया को क्या करने की जरूरत है? भारत को क्या करने की जरूरत है? Can Kabul be conquered so easily? क्या काबुल को इतनी आसानी से जीता जा सकता है तालिबान के द्वारा? Why and how India can help Kabul? काबुल की भारत को सहायता क्यों करनी चाहिए? What fears Taliban has posed to China, Russia and Iran? तालिबान ने चाइना, रसिया और ईरान के लिए कौन से खतरे और संकट पैदा किए हैं? What should be India's immediate goal? और भारत का वर्तमान उद्देश्य क्या होना चाहिए? Immediate उद्देश्य क्या होना चाहिए? Why India needs to go with Russia, China and Iran? भारत को रसिया, चाइना और ईरान के साथ बने रहने की क्या जरूरत है? What are the concluding remarks of this article? So once I'm done with the answers to all these questions, I would be sharing the vocabulary portion pertaining to this editorial. So it is written in a very simple language. So the vocabulary portion is not as important as the content of this article is. So coming to the first question, that why United States are making an exit from Afghanistan, the simple answer is that they are done with what they had to do, killing Osama bin Laden, and now they feel that the job is done, and instead of staying engaged in the lost wars, which adds little value to American power, should now urgently prepare itself for the unfolding of geopolitical contest with China. So अमेरिका का स्टांस बड़ा क्लियर है कि जो लड़ाइयाँ ऑलरेडी लॉस्ट हो चुकी हैं उनमें अब इंगेज रहकर कोई फायदा नहीं है। बेहतर होगा कि वो अपनी जो एक अनफोल्डिंग जियोपॉलिटिकल कॉन्टेस्ट है चाइना के साथ में, उसके लिए प्रिपेयर हो। सेकंड क्वेश्चन मैंने बताया, व्हाट इज अमेरिका स्ट्रेटेजिक रिस्पॉन्स टू चाइनाज राइज, चाइना के राइज के लिए अमेरिका का स्ट्रेटेजिक रिस्पॉन्स क्या है। So America's strategic response to China's rise is very explicit. It's crystal clear. The US wants India to play a key role in this bloc. US wants to create a bloc in which India can play a vital role with other countries of Quad like Australia, Japan, and the democratic countries of East Asia. उसके बाद में बात आती है कि व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम फॉर इंडिया इफ इंडिया गोज विद अमेरिका एज अमेरिका वांट्स टू काउंटरपोज टू चाइना's rise, then the problem is that India shares its contested border with China. So that is the biggest problem. भारत का चाइना के साथ में जो contested लैंड बॉर्डर है वो भारत के लिए सबसे बड़ी चुनौती है। वी सी द ceasefire and all that, so that is the biggest problem for India. How India's relations have been with Afghanistan in the past, भूतकाल में इंडिया के रिलेशंस अफगानिस्तान के साथ बहुत बेहतर रही हैं। It has been a good history between the two countries. India way back in 1950 the treaty of friendship, जो फ्रेंडशिप की ट्रीटी थी 1950s में, वहाँ से शुरुआत है। और उसके बाद इन रिलेशंस की वजह से in 1996 India had to face a lot when Kabul was captured by Taliban backed by Pakistan. So if we are barring a brief interregnums in 90s, India had very good relations with Afghanistan, and the result is this, that today India has invested over 3 billion in Afghanistan. So that speaks a volumes of truth about India's relationship with Afghanistan. So what were US strategic objectives in Afghanistan? Could the state succeed? The US strategic objective in Afghanistan were limited. As the US President Joe Biden himself pointed out earlier this month, killing Osama bin Laden and disrupting Al-Qaeda networks, defeating the Taliban and nation building were part of the neo-conservative ideology project, which had evidently failed as per Joe Biden's understanding. So this means the US, having met its realist objectives, can abandon the Afghanistan and exit the theater, which what Mr. Biden is doing right now. So Al-Qaeda को डिस्टर्ब करना, ओसामा बिन लादेन को मारना, ये एक नियो कंजर्वेटिव आइडियोलॉजी का प्रोजेक्ट था और अब ये अपने आप में फेल हो चुका है, ऐसा जो बिडेन का मानना है। तो अब जिस तरीके से रंगमंच से अपना किरदार अदा करने के बाद एक्टर्स एग्जिट करते हैं, similarly Joe Biden is making an exit from the theater. So can India too leave Afghanistan like America? क्या अमेरिका की तरह से भारत भी अफगानिस्तान को छोड़ सकता है? बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ सकता, और भारत को अफगानिस्तान में बने रहना है, साथ ही साथ तालिबान के साथ भी सीधे संबंध बना के रखने हैं। और इस वीडियो से पहले टैग पे एक वीडियो और अपलोड किया गया था जिसके अंदर मुख्य फोकस इसी बात पे था कि भारत को तालिबान के साथ सीधे संबंध बनाने की क्या जरूरत है। So those of you who are watching this video for the first time, and wish to know that why India needs to engage direct dialogue and direct relationship with Taliban, you can watch the previous video, previously uploaded a video on tech. So certainly it's a big no that India cannot leave Afghanistan like America is living, because India has invested there, and moreover, India cannot let Taliban go with Pakistan for forging deeper alliances. And at the same time, Russia, China, Iraq, they are also eyeing upon, or they are also finding opportunities in Afghanistan, and Taliban, they have started open dialogues with Taliban. So in such situations, being a continental player, India cannot make an exit like the states are making it. So what are the options available to India? Options available to India are very simple. India has to strike a balance with Afghanistan as well as with Taliban. Of what India should be circumspect while dealing with Taliban. तालिबान के साथ डील करते वक्त इंडिया को सबसे ज्यादा किस चीज के बारे में चौकन्ना रहने की जरूरत है? जिस चीज के बारे में इंडिया को चौकन्ना रहने की जरूरत है वो है पाकिस्तान की जो मिलिट्री की जो कनेक्शंस हैं हकीनी ग्रुप के साथ में, उससे भारत को चौकन्ना रहने की जरूरत है. And the ninth question that I would be taking up would be, while engaging with Taliban, what India should be doing simultaneously. So Taliban के साथ deal करते वक्त India should simultaneously protect Afghanistan's interest. It must help Afghanistan government, and it must provide military software and must provide training to Afghani military. This is the thing that India needs to do. And 10th question comes, can Kabul be conquered so easily? It's not so easy to conquer Kabul, because 2 lakhs soldiers are, the Afghan military has 2 lakh battle hardened soldiers, including highly trained special forces. So it's not a cakewalk that you go and you just conquer Kabul. Why and how India can help Kabul? Certainly, as I have mentioned it, that by providing military hardware, intelligence and logistics and financial support too, and moreover, training Afghan soldiers, Afghan military. What fears Taliban has posed to China, Russia and Iraq? China, Russia और इराक के लिए तालिबान ने विभिन्न खतरे पैदा किए हैं. For example, Xinjiang province of China is sharing the border with Afghanistan, and with jihadi-oriented Taliban reside in your neighborhood, you cannot expect something harmonious. This is the biggest fear of China. Similar are the fears in Russia, like the republics and all that, disruptions and unease there. Iraq too has same fears. And what should be India's immediate goal? India's immediate goal should be to safeguard Indian public asset there in Afghanistan, and to protect the personnel being posted there. That should be the immediate goal of India, and striking a balance moreover. Why India needs to go with Russia, China and Iran? Iran, Chabahar Port, the success, if you don't go with Iran, then this corridor to bypass Pakistan and directly connecting to Central Asia through Iran would be not possible. And China is sharing contested land border. So having that diplomatic sensibility, we must go with China and Russia too, because all these players are there in Afghanistan. So if you wish to stay there, you need to maintain harmonious relations with these countries as well. So concluding remark, I will be sharing it with you before winding up the discussion and taking up the vocabulary portion. And the final concluding remark is, central to this approach to India's striking the right balance between its continental realities and US pivotal to maritime Asia, the US and the West in general are done with Afghanistan, and India as one of the countries that would be impacted by the consequences of American withdrawal has to work with Eurasian powers to protect its interests and stabilize Afghanistan. So instead of going with that tempting option of the states, India needs to be aware of its neighbors and its continental realities, its continental role, and therefore India needs to go with Eurasian powers to protect interest and stabilize Afghanistan. So this is what has been the thematic concerns, and now I would be sharing the vocabulary portion of this article. Before that, word combinations, layered approach, that is one of the suggestions of the writer, that India must have a layered approach with, while dealing with Taliban. And military hardware, we have seen that India must provide military hardware to Afghanistan. Strategic response to China's rise, as in case the states, vulnerable to the geopolitical changes, and neoconservative ideological project that America had, and in which America failed badly as per the understanding of American President Mr. Joe Biden. So now the words: retreat, a movement away from a place or an enemy because of danger or defeat. खतरे और हार के डर से जब आप एनिमी से दूर जाते हैं, that is retreat. उल्टे कदम चलना. Withdrawal, retirement, and ab. Interregnum, it is a period of time during which a country, an organization, etc. does not have leader and is waiting for a new one. एक ऐसा टाइम पीरियड जिसमें किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में या किसी राष्ट्र में कोई लीडर नहीं है और नए लीडर का जहाँ पे वेट किया जा रहा हो, that is interregnum, and its synonyms are break, breach, pause, interlude. Insurgent, fighting against the government or armed forces of their own country. अपने ही देश की गवर्नमेंट और आर्म फोर्सेस के खिलाफ लड़ने वाले जो रेबेलियंस होते हैं, मेल कॉन्टेंट होते हैं, एजिटेटर्स होते हैं, राइटर्स होते हैं, अनार्किस्ट होते हैं, उनको इंसर्जेंट बोलते हैं. इनएविटेबल, दैट कैन नॉट बी अवॉइडेड और प्रिवेंट, जिसको आप रोक नहीं सकते, जिसको आप टाल नहीं सकते, दैट इज इनएविटेबल, अनअवॉइडेबल. क्रम्बल, टू ब्रेक और ब्रेक, किसी चीज को तोड़ना या किसी चीज का टूट जाना, छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में किसी चीज का तोड़ना, किसी चीज को तोड़ना या किसी चीज का अपने आप छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में टूट जाना is crumble. Synonyms are break, crush, perish, deteriorate. And now the next. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, here we go with the current slide. The current is not this one. Next. Convergence. The process of moving together from different directions and meeting. The point where it happens. Synonyms are concurrence, confluence, meeting. Restive, unable to stay still or unwilling to be controlled, especially because you feel bored or not satisfied. Stable ना होने की स्थिति और unwilling to be controlled, ऐसी इच्छा कि आप कंट्रोल अपने पे चाहते ही नहीं. Synonyms are agitated, restless, ferocious, factitious, unruly, unlawful, impasse, deadlock, gridlock, stand still. These are the synonyms, and it means a difficult situation in which no progress can be made because the people involved cannot agree what to do. And covert, secret or hidden, making it difficult to notice, and its opposite is overt. So with overt, the vocabulary portion is also over, but let me remind you If you have not subscribed the channel, kindly do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can watch exhaustive and comprehensive videos, must videos on world affairs and on the articles from the Hindu on regular basis. And please like if you have liked the content, share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.